ECB and the Bank of England. The market is really focused on central bank activity and the impact that that can have on the currency market. We've seen Fed Yellen reaffirming the idea proposed by Bernanke that the Fed will be very slow in withdrawing the pace of liquidity expansion that's been undertaken at the present moment in time. Bank of Japan Governor-elect Kuroda suggesting that we'll see open into QE brought forward from January 2014. And now the question is, will the Bank of England and the ECB undertake easing this week? We think that the ECB is a 30 to 40% probability of a cut in the refi rate by 25 basis points. It's going to be a close call because the data certainly would already warrant a cut, but the traditionalists amongst the ECB are likely to argue for waiting for some more data. As far as the Bank of England is concerned, there's a 30 to 40% chance of a 25 billion increase in QE. Neither of these prospective moves in themselves are going to be enough to turn around either the Eurozone or the UK economy, but at least in the short term, delivery or not of such a move would produce a short-term impact on the currency markets. If we go beyond the very short term, the real driving force is the question of the Italian political situation. The prospects are that we will see some form of government, probably weak, formed in the next couple of weeks, and that this can then produce at least a degree of relief in financial markets and a deeper correction in terms of euro yen. Why euro yen? Well, the euro is the key sort of counter in terms of improvement in risk sentiment towards Europe. But the yen more generally has tended to run out of steam, and we're now in a situation where the market needs to see Bank of Japan easing delivered and not just talked about. And since we don't have another BOJ meeting until April the 3rd and 4th, we can see a situation where we don't see major action now in terms of yen weakening, and if anything we favour a resumption of the yen profit taking. This is Mike Gallagher from iDay Global.